4 attitudes that reveal how your partner is. Psychology can help you decipher some attitudes and habits to know your partner better and improve the relationship. At Salud180.com, we know that the period of falling in love makes us lose objectivity in our emotional relationships, so we present 4 simple attitudes that can indicate how your partner is. Psychology says. 1. Can sense his pet. According to the psychologist Daniel Borrell, of the Goma Institute in Barcelona, taking care of a dog shows a capacity for commitment and predisposition to meet the needs of others. 2. Makes decisions based on the opinions of his parents and best friends. The psychologist also indicates that this attitude may indicate the lack of clarity towards his ideas and person, so he will hardly take risks. People who do not take risks are usually dependent. 3. And your name. If he does not usually calls you by your name and prefers to do it with nicknames like Little Sweetheart, Teddy, among others, it can indicate that he sees his whole world in pink. This attitude may reflect a lack of maturity and an unrealistic personality. 4. Intellectual. If your partner always refers to books, authors, and complicated quotes, it may indicate lack of criteria. Borrell says that these people use knowledge as a shield. Are we a healthy couple? A study conducted by Dr. Mark Goulston and published in Psychology Today indicates that happy couples share some habits. In effective relationships, a habit refers to a behavior that is repeated for a minimum period of 21 days. The study also revealed that the main habits of happy couples are going to bed at the same time, walking hand in hand, saying good morning, good night daily, calling once a day to find out how they are doing, a hug afterwards the working day, saying an I love you, and showing themselves proud when they are seen together. Go ahead and get to know your partner better. Source: http://www.salud180.com. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to download my free ebooks. To learn more about 4 attitudes that reveal how your partner is, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.